Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Germany Canarejo. I'm a married and with two sons, a 19 years old and an 8 years old.
Okay. Can you please describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and a happy person.
Okay. If you will get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother and sister will help my husband to take care of them.
Okay. So can you please tell me about your work experience?
I work as a nanny and a house helper here in the Philippines with members, a couple and 3 kids, which 10, 5, and 3 years old. I take care of the children, marketing, laundry, and cleaning, cooking also.
Okay, thank you.